What time is it, Sylvia?
It's 7:30, Zach.
Huh, my watch is slow. Maybe it's the low battery.
Oh, that reminds me. I should tell you about the scatterbrain thing I did.
Tell me, what was that?
Well, a few mornings ago, when I woke up, it was already 7:30. I thought I'd slept through the alarm.
7:30, that didn't give you much time, did it?
No, it didn't. I took a quick shower, jumped into my clothes and ran all the way here.
Did you make it in time?
Yeah, I think I got there at 8, but there was one problem.
What was that?
There were no other students. I was the only one there.
Oh, let me guess. It was Saturday.
That's right. I need a clock that tells me what day it is. Okay, Zach, see you again. I am going to Delhi today. Excuse me, could you tell me when does the train leave to Delhi?
It leaves at 4:30 p.m.
And what time does it arrive in Delhi?
Just a second. Let me check. It gets in at 6:25 p.m. the next day.
Great. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a good trip.
What time does Sylvia say it is? A. 30 minutes to 8. B. 15 minutes to 8. C. 10 minutes to 8.
Why does Zach ask what time it is? A. He thinks he is going to be late for his first class. B. He believes his watch is not showing the correct time. C. He wants to know when the laundry room is going to open.
Sylvia says she did a scatterbrain thing. What does she mean? A. She did something nice. B. She did something silly. C. She did something clever.
What does Sylvia do after she saw it was 7:30? A. She drove to class. B. She rushed to class. C. She strolled to class.
Why didn't Sylvia see any other students in the room? A. The class was on a field trip. B. She didn't go to the right classroom. C. She went on a day when class is not held.
At what time does the train to Delhi leave? A. At 2:14. B. At 3:40. C. At 4:30.